Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Hopefully everyone is fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now I'm going to talk about myself. So I'd like to thanks for giving this great opportunity. My name is Amdi Milan Hossain and my nickname is Mugdho. I'll be very glad if you call me Mugdho. Currently I live in Tongi Gazipur, but I'm very happy to say that my home district is Lakshmipur. And it is a well famous place in Bangladesh. It is mainly famous for coconut and betel tree. And I'm very happy to be son of this district. If you talk about my family, basically we are a very small family. Our family consisting 3 members. I have father, I have mother. I don't have any brother and sister. If you talk about my educational background, basically I've completed my JSC and SSC from my district, and my school name was Purushoshiti Academy. And when I am studying in SSC, I played in under 16 in Lakshmipur Cricket Academy. And you know Bangladesh new national cricketer Hassan Mahmood, basically I played with him. After completing my SSC, I have shifted in Dhaka and I studied in Milestone College. And I studied from Business Studies group. After completing intermediate examination, right now I am a student. I am studying at Tongi Government College. I am doing honors at National University. And my major is accounting. And it's also my favorite subject. Basically, it is very easy to me and I love counting. So I want to do something in my career through this subject. And if you talk about my likings, dislikings or hobbies, basically my hobbies are reading book, and in this pandemic I have completed 30 books and I love connecting with new people. I don't like gossiping, I don't like wasting time, and I don't like watching movie. Right now I'm going to talk about my future plan or dream. Basically everyone has dream. I would like to be a banker, which is my need, or I want it as a profession. And if you talk about my dream, basically I would like to be a corporate trainer, public speaker and teacher. So as you know, my dream is to be a public speaker, corporate trainer or teacher. So basically I want to see myself one of the best place in Bangladesh. So since I want to be a corporate trainer, public speaker and teacher, for the last 2 years I have been attending different type of organization, Talent Heart Social Welfare Foundation and Youth Career Institute, Bangladesh Language Speaking Club, one of them. And this club learned a lot of things, especially communication skill, leadership skill, public speaking, and especially connectivity. Because your connectivity is your network, your connectivity is your productivity, and your network is your net worth. And for the last 2 years, I have been attending different type of seminar on public speaking, presentation, communication skill, leadership skill. This session gives me a particular or specific information about this. And I'm taking a class in a coaching center as an accounting and finance teacher. It gives me negotiation skill, how to handle audience, how to convince people. And I'm doing a part-time job in a marketing, and you know marketing is like a consultancy firm, so it's developed my problem solving capability. And then I have a team in my college, because I believe that whatever you will learn, you need a community or team. And through this team I've conducted 5 seminars on public speaking and presentation in my college. So that's all about me for the timing. Thank you so much for giving this great opportunity, and again thanks to Talent Heart, CEO sir and Chairman sir. Assalamu alaikum shobaike.